Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You want usable audio fast, so begin now. Pick a quiet room and put your phone on Do Not Disturb. Hold the phone steady or plug in headphones with a mic. This reduces handling noise and improves clarity. Open your chosen recording app and confirm format, MP3 for small files, WAV for higher quality. Tap record, speak a short test phrase, and listen back at normal volume to check levels. Once levels are good, continue speaking steadily and keep mic position consistent. Once recording, focus on consistent technique and monitoring. Keep the mic about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth and aim slightly off-axis to reduce plosive bursts. If you have a pop shield, use it. Watch the app's input meters and lower gain if peaks hit red to avoid clipping. Speak in natural phrases, pause between sentences for editing, and use short breaths. If background hum appears, try moving away from appliances or change rooms and run another quick test. When finished, stop recording and save immediately with a descriptive file name and timestamp so files stay organized. Transfer the file to an editor to trim silence, normalize volume, and remove obvious mistakes. These quick edits improve intelligibility. Export in your chosen format and back up a copy. If you hear hiss, clicks, or distortion, try noise reduction tools first. If problems remain, re-record adjusting mic distance, gain, or location. Always keep one untouched original in case you need to revert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.